Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a room tour. Some of you guys have been requesting that I show you guys around my room. I do still live at home, so I'm probably not going to be adding much more furniture other than this in my room. So without further ado, let's get started on the tour. Okay, so as soon as we step into my room, this is what you see. Okay, so on the left side of my room, we have all of my skincare and makeup. So I got these two shelves from IKEA, and then I added my favorite perfumes and cream on the shelf as well. The color palette is very much white and beige and pink in my room, so I thought it really matched nicely. These frames are a set from a brand called Opposite Wall. I think they're actually based in Quebec, but they have really nice prints. So here we have my makeup and skincare. So this stuff I got all from Amazon and from IKEA. So this little organizer actually spins, and I have all of my skincare on there. And then I have all my lipsticks, eyeshadows, brushes, all nicely organized in these little trays. I love organization, and I love these little transparent trays that have like little separators. They're all from Amazon. I will link you guys everything that I have in my room so you guys can check them out. But probably my favorite organizer is this spinning one. It's just so nice and convenient, holds so much. And then we have my little square shelf. This one is from IKEA, and I have more makeup in here as well. On this left shelf, we have all lip products and also like grooming tools that I put in here. On the right side, we have all eyeshadow palettes. At the bottom right, we have nail polishes and fake lashes, and then blushes and eye pencils at the back there. And then this bottom left shelf is for foundations and anything that I like to stock up on. So my concealers and my brow gels are actually not available in Canada, so I stock up and I put them all here. I am probably most proud of this wall in my room just because it is just so nicely organized. I do though have an issue. If you guys saw from my last vlog, I have a ton of skincare and makeup that I have not opened. I receive a lot of PR, which I'm so lucky enough to get, but it is piling up, and so I really need another organizer. So that's probably the last piece of furniture that I will get for my room, is one of those like IKEA tall drawers. I think it's like about like this tall almost, so that way I can put all my skincare and makeup in there and it won't look messy because you won't see all the products out, and then I can like label each shelf with like every different type of makeup slash skincare. So that's probably the last thing that I will get, and I would most likely probably move this over to the left and then put it right here, so that this wall would just be like where all my skincare and makeup lives. Okay, so moving on from this wall, we have my little corner where I have my clothing rack, my ring light, and my tripod. So this clothing rack is basically where I put all the stuff that I need to shoot, and then my small little accessories on the side. So what I've done is I have separated each clothing hanger by brand. So one brand's clothes is all on here. Outerwear I like put separately, but most of the clothes like I will stack up so that way I can just like see clearly what brand I need to shoot, and then in terms of like timeline, which one I need to shoot first. And this was also from IKEA. It is so sturdy and clean looking and super cute, so I will also link this down below for you guys. And then I really don't know where to put my ring light and my tripod anywhere else but here, so I just like kind of stuck it there. Now that we are done this little corner, I'm going to move on to this wall, so that we finish this side of the room. So here is my dresser, where I put most of my clothes that don't need to be hung. I really do like having a mirror right here, so that way right before I leave I can check my face and just like check how I look. I recently just got this. This is my jewelry organizer. It is so cute. I got it off of Amazon. I think it was only like $25, but I'm able to organize all my necklaces and my earrings and then my rings and watches at the bottom. It is so easy to see what I have now. Before I had just like a tray where I would kind of just pile everything up. And so this makes me able to see exactly what I have, and then I'm more inclined to actually wear more jewelry that I own instead of just wearing like the 2 pairs of earrings that I would just naturally gravitate towards. So this is probably one of my favorite things in my room. And then the rest of the stuff here is hair and then masks and sanitizers. So this is a little gold dish that is actually a mirror that I got off of Amazon as well. But I have my hair oil here and then my hair clip. And then I have my hairbrush here as well. And then I just thought it'd be cute to put like my little sanitizers here. And then of course I have like my masks in this little pot. I think this is like the cleanest way to make sanitizer and masks look aesthetic. And then in this container I have hair stuff, so I have scrunchies, and then I have my hair elastics and clips in here. And then I have my body cream. This one is from Lean, which I absolutely love, and my wallet, and I will put like keys and stuff like around here. Now moving on to this side of the room. So right here we have my little night table. This shelf right here is purely for aesthetic. And then this shelf here is usually where I put my laptop. At night, I like to watch shows before bed, so I will always put my laptop right here. And then this little dish is for my AirPods, and then I always have dry hands and lips, so I always need hand cream and my Burt's Bees lip balm always right beside me. And then here is my bed. So these frames are actually a set with those ones right here. They're from the same brand, Opposite Wall. I was able to choose online the type of setup I would like, and that included the other ones on the other wall. But I chose to only put these ones up. I thought it was a little bit too much with the other ones, and so that's why I decided to move these 3 on this wall. And in terms of my bed sheets, I absolutely hate them. See, that's the one that's missing. Like, I hate that. It's supposed to match that one, but it doesn't. And I do really enjoy having little pillows that like make my bed more aesthetic. I think this is from IKEA, and then this is from Chapters, I believe. If you guys haven't checked out Chapters, they actually have some really cute house decor stuff. It's just a little bit more on the expensive side, but they're really cute. And then this bear, his name is Jenny. Brandon actually gave me this, and his Cantonese name is Jun, so we call him Jenny. He won that for me at CNE like maybe 3-4 years ago. 3 years ago, yeah. Okay, now moving on to my desk and mirror situation. So here I have my full-length mirror. This is also from IKEA. Oh my gosh, not to mention this stupid light. There's supposed to be like a dish, obviously, that goes on that, or like whatever, like a chandelier or something. It's not supposed to just have like 3 light bulbs there, but I don't know, like I haven't found one, and I've just been too lazy to like actually go out and look for one, so whatever, it's staying like that. But this is my full-length mirror. Of course, it is white, and it actually has hooks at the back where I used to put my bags, but it just looked like too messy, so I took them off. And then my laundry basket is right there, also from IKEA. Then we have my cute little coffee station. It's my Stephanie Cafe. So I have my little Keurig mini, and then I have some K-cups here and my candle. So I basically make coffee here every morning. I just take a water bottle, fill this up, and it makes me a cup of coffee. I love the coffee smell as well. It like makes my mornings and like kind of makes me awake. So I wanted to have a coffee machine in my room. And then the shelf that my little coffee station is sitting on is actually the shelf that I was looking for to organize all my makeup and skincare, but mini version. But basically inside these drawers, I have books, and I have my Bible here. And then I have my accessories. Then in this one, we've got all my electronics. So this is like my little electronic case where I put my hard drive and my SD cards and that type of stuff, camera, selfie sticks in the back, batteries, that type of stuff. And then at the bottom, we have hair stuff, which is always super full, but I have extensions and brushes. My hair curler goes in here. This is like such a helpful and handy drawer set that I need for my makeup and skincare. It just like looks so clean and has so much space inside of every single drawer. Okay, and then over here we have my little desk. Over here we have some of my simple decor. This frame is also part of the same set that I got from Opposite Wall. And then this I'm pretty sure I got from Winners, I believe. And then this I got from one of the brands that I worked with. It's like one of those never dying flowers, which I'm pretty sure you guys have all seen. And this is one of my favorite perfumes, and the bottle was so gorgeous. So I decided to put that here and use it as a little decor thing. This notepad I use for like anything urgent or anything that I really need to remember. And then over here, we just got my light, and this is actually a container where I put all my receipts. So all my business expenses and the receipts, I put them here. My little mirror for when I do my makeup. And then lastly, we have my closet. It is super, super small. This is what it looks like. It is not the cleanest thing, but honestly, it's the cleanest that I can possibly make it. So I just recently actually transitioned all my summer clothes to fall/winter. So all of my winter coats are like at the back, and then I have my sweaters, blazers, dresses at the back here. And then on top, we have like all my bulky bags, scarves, like a random ski helmet, and more bags. And then at the bottom, we have like some summer clothes and more bags, just random stuff. Very messy, so let's not dwell on this for too long. Okay guys, so that is about it for my room tour. I really hope you liked watching it. There's really not much in my room. I try and keep it like a white theme and as clean as possible, but of course, I clean my room for you guys, so it definitely gets more messy than this. But if you did like this video, please thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at StephanieOn. But that's about it. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!